Hello, this is Missey Grace. How you doing? This week I'm going to talk about that very serious issue that most people already been talking about, that is the climate change. I remember when the first Earth Day was introduced, that was in 1970, a long time ago. The aim is for everyone to embrace the reuse, reduce, recycling. That concept had been adopted and embraced by many people in this world, but has it actually made any impact? All these years later, we have the figure that it's only about 9% of the global GDP that falls into this category. Now, there were so many reports and discussions in the media recently. People were talking about saving the planet Earth, about this climate change issue. I don't think that's the point. The point is we need to save ourselves from ourselves. Look at the economy system here. We created this economy to have everything that we need, to have food on the table, to be able to use substance and resources to take us places and have shelters. We just keep take and take and take from this planet Earth. Are we actually looking after it? So when we started to talk about it and take action, it is already a little bit too late, too little that we can do. This monster is already gone out of control, totally. So what we can do now is put Earth first. How are we going to do that? We need to really look after the only home that we have in this planet Earth. Look at the populations. It has actually exploded in 70 years from 2.5 billion to 7.7 billion. How are we going to produce enough food to feed them? How are we going to use the resource that we have from this earth and not do too much damage? And our next generation is going to find a way to survive. And we know that there are more than 150 species gone every day from this planet. And we don't want us as a humankind to be added to this extinction list. We do need to look after ourselves. We do need to look after this home that we have on planet Earth. So it's not just save the planet, because this planet Earth has already been here for billions of years and it will continue to be here for billions more. It is the human beings, the humankind, that we need to think about. Do we want to be extinct? That is the question. We need to have long-term vision now. We need to take action now. Keep our home safe. Make sure our home is going to be a place of nurture, place of bountiness. This is something to think about. It is a serious issue. And let me know what you're thinking. By thinking globally and acting locally, we can do our part to contribute to a better world. Eat plenty of plant-based food, do things that can benefit community, reduce, reuse, recycle. It is not hard. Okay, so until next time, be well, be happy. And this is Missey Grace.